Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Muhammad Naufal Haris from Department of Batik Craft, Universitas Pekalongan, Indonesia. I would like to present our research with title Adsorption Study of Pink IR Dyes using Scallop Cell Adsorption, Kinetic and Equilibrium Analysis. Indonesia is surrounded by vast oceans. Pekalongan Regency is one of the regions bordering the northern coast of Java Island. Scallop shells are abundant at Wonokerto Fish Auction. Scallop shells, as a natural adsorbent derived from fishery byproduct, have gained attention as sustainable alternative for natural materials in the removal of dyes. As we know, Batik has been recognized by UNESCO as masterpiece of intangible cultural heritage. Pekalongan Regency is a central city for batik production. One type of dye used in batik is indicosol dyes, with pink IR being one of its variants. The purpose of our research that increasing the usability of scalp cells and reducing the color concentration in batik wastewater. At previous research showed 2024 that material preparation start from with adding sodium hydroxide 4% and washing 3 times distilled water. But our research starts from scallop cells are washing using water, dry hot sun, grinding using blender, sieving range of 80 until 100 mass, adding sodium hydroxide 0.25 mol as alkali treatment to remove residues, such as sand and organic material, and then continue with washing aqueducts, filtering using filter paper, checking pH with pH meter, drying using oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Dye used in this research is pink IR dyes. Chemical name which people in the world know is fat dyes solubilized. Pink IR dyes have chemical name fat red one solubilized, and commercial name in Indonesia for dyeing batik process is Indigosol Pink IR. Proximate analysis was also conducted in this study. As shown in the table, the mineral content is very dominant in the scallop cell with alkali treatment. Meanwhile, the residues present in the scallop cell has been removed. The high mineral content indicates the presence of micro and micro minerals, especially calcium, which act as a filler, and sodium, which helps maintain fluid balance between the body and surrounding environment. The adsorption experiment of this research is three treatment. First, variation of contact time at the adsorption process, 30 until 150 minutes, for determine adsorption kinetics. Second, variation of adsorbent concentration, 20 until 400 ppm, to equilibrium studies of adsorption process. And last, variation of adsorbent mass, 250 until 1250 milligram. For variation of contact time, the removal process occurs rapidly at the start, and then slow down, stabilizing near 100% removal. We can see in the graph, initially, the removal percentage increases rapidly in a short time. After 40 minutes, the graph begins to level off, approaching a maximum value, indicating equilibrium is reached. Variation at adsorbent concentration. The removal efficiency depends on the initial concentration with higher concentration leading to reduced effectiveness. We can see in the graph at low initial concentration, the removal process is highly effective at 20 until 100 ppm. At higher concentration, the removal efficiency drops due to the saturation of active sites 100 until 400 ppm. And variation of adsorbent mass, the removal efficiency depends on the adsorbent mass. Increasing the mass enhances efficiency until a saturation point is reached. We can see the graph as the adsorbent mass increases, the removal efficiency rises sharply at the beginning. After a certain point, around 600 mg of adsorbent, the graph levels off, indicating that the removal efficiency approaches 100%. Absorption kinetics in our research use two kinetic models, pseudo first order and pseudo second order. The best representation of this absorption is pseudo first order nonlinear form, which value of r squared is very close of 1, indicating that the reaction seems to exhibit first order behavior concerning one reactant. Adsorption isotherm in equilibrium studies of our research use three isotherm models: Langmuir, Farnitz, and Jovanovic. The best representation of this adsorption is Farnitz linear form, which value r squared is very close of 1, suggesting a heterogeneous adsorption process with varying adsorption sites and energies. The study indicates that scallop cells with rich in minerals are an effective and sustainable adsorbent material for the removal pink IR dyes, with optimal conditions determined by balance between adsorbent concentration and adsorbent mass. The adsorbent process is characterized by phase kinetic and heterogeneous site interactions. The absorption process follows to pseudo first-order kinetic model, indicating that the adsorption rate primarily depends on the concentration of adsorbent in the solution. This suggests that the adsorption mechanism is governed by surface interaction rather than bulk diffusion. The data aligns well with the Freundlich isotherm model, which highlights a heterogeneous absorption process, which implies that the adsorbent surface consists of multiple types of adsorption sites with different energies, allowing varying level of interaction between the adsorbent and the adsorbate molecules. Thank you for your time and attention today. I hope the information shared has been insightful and has sparked some valuable idea or discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.